Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check bundles on the My Little Pony application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my phone in Village, and in the home screen you can find so many buttons. If you want to check the bundles, click to the store icon at the lower right corner of the screen and click to the fifth option at the lower side of the screen. You can check the welcome bundle, the review bundle, you can check the price of that, the magic pack and others. And if you want to pay, click to the green icon and you can use. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.